हिंदुस्तान मेरी जान मेरी शान है। हिंदुस्तान हिंदुस्तान हम करते हैं ये वादा माँ, तेरी आँखों में का सोना आने देंगे, दे देंगे जान।
Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. What would a man not pay for living? Freedom is the most fundamental thing in life, children, and there is no value for it that can be paid. A person can do anything to achieve his independence. Today, our mind is fearless and our head is high in the sky. As we breathe freely, each and every breath of us holds a high importance in our heart, as we know that such generation is the creation of all great freedom fighters. Freedom is never voluntarily given by the oppressor. It must be demanded by the oppressed. On this day, we not only celebrate our independence, but we also dignify and pay tribute to those who fought for it, to the ones who held a prospect for our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for our motherland and dedicated their life in the battle for India's independence. Our visionary freedom fighters collected a diversity of worldviews to forge a common national courage towards one direction. They were given away to the cause of liberating Bharat Mata from outrageous and tyrannical foreign regime and ensuring the future of her children. Their intentions and actions build the identity of India as a modern nation. It has made its mark in all the different fields like science and technology, sports, medicine, agriculture, industries, safety and security, and many more. This has been made possible because India itself is so vibrant and united, due to which the whole world sees India as a place where unity exists with diversity. India is known as the melting pot of cultures and tradition, and the people of India themselves share a common commonality, that is humanity. Even during the pandemic, the people of India had to hold hands together to take proactive measures and save the country from such menace. We are so proud to witness the launch of Har Ghar Tiranga campaign by the Indian government, and especially the initiative taken by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, where people of India are being encouraged to hoist the national flag in their houses. On this 76th Independence Day, we must take an oath to be responsible and well-educated citizens of India. We should pledge to work hard to build the nation, develop the nation, and bring the nation to that level that our country be superior in rank in the league of all nations. So, please say these two lines with me. गूंज रहा है दुनिया में हिंदुस्तान का नारा, चमक रहा है आसमान में तिरंगा हमारा। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
हरी चक्र तेरा कह रहा हमसे नहीं रुकना कर।
हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की, मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की, मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी खुशबू बाराई से मस्त पवन की, और वो है तुरंग दे बसंती, यार वो है तुरंग दे बसंती, रंग दे बसंती, बसंती रंग दे बसंती। कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, आंखों में भर के चला बिजलियां।
सब रिश्ते सब नाते हम सब कुछ अपना भूल गए, जब मिट्टी ने आवाज दी हम फर्ज निभाने निकल पड़े।
जिद है मेरी दर्द चीर के निकल चुका, मौका मिले तो करूं मैं ये दोबारा। जुनून के आग में उबलती मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा।
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी, फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए, जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।